Audio Jungle.
Toyota's flagship model in Japan, the Crown, is going on sale around the world for the first time, including in the US. The 16th generation Crown, set to begin production in January, comes in 4 varieties: a crossover with a hybrid system, a sedan that is most similar to the Crown seen on Japanese streets, a sport utility vehicle, and a wagon crossover called the Estate, the company said. The Crown will go on sale in 40 nations, with Toyota Motor Corporation aiming for 200,000 vehicles in annual global sales. The cheapest version starts at 4.35 million yen, $31,000 in Japan. The Crown's history parallels the rise of Toyota and of the modern Japanese economy, with the first sedan going on sale in Japan in 1955. "Someday a Crown" was a tagline over the years. But the cars are not well known abroad. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.